late night coding session here. So today we don't have any guests, but I have something prepared for you guys. I have prepared for you guys this particular application, this USSD application, which is it enables you to get to each and every customer. So like Mama Mboga, Mtu wa Butchery may not have an application, may not have a smartphone to use that application, or an internet connection for your website where you are selling your stuff. So the USSD is the best way to actually get these people. So we're going to also add Mpesa payments, so it will be able to initiate SDK push offline, and you'll be able to receive these particular transactions from this USSD app. So let's go ahead and give this a test. So I have some shared service code right here from Africa's Talking API. So let me just copy this. It's on my other display. Then let me just run this. So this for an existent loan offering organization. So you can go ahead and check loan status, where it will just go ahead and fetch all your records from the database using the session ID that we're currently on. But I'm interested in showing you guys the payment part. So if I click on make payment, so now I have three options. I have option 1, option 2, and option 3, and they're different predefined amounts. So let me just show you guys. I'm more interested to show you this part. So if I click on option 1 and hit send, you get payment initiated successfully, and you should get an SDK push right there on my phone. So as you can see, so I'm not going to make that to be successful, but you can see that it is working. And if I go ahead and pick any other choice, of course, if I pick number 2, the prompt will be for 2,000. Number 3, the prompt will be for 3,000, and so on and so forth. And you can capture all these particular transaction details and be able to view it in a database or display it on your user dashboard. So maybe just tell me if you are interested in such a thing, and I'll definitely do such a video. So let me know in the comment section if you want to see a video on this, and I'll definitely plan and do it. So if you're new here, like and subscribe, and of course, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.